Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Hemp Oil Extract 104 plus 000 mg, all natural drops for pain, stress, anxiety relief, deep restful sleep, bulging discs, knee 2 TKR total knee replacements, anxiety, depression, PTSD, HPP, and sleep issues. The product was very good at helping to sleep, and helped with the pain amazing. When she woke up today, she was amazed at how well she felt, and what a good rest she had. Thank goodness for the drugs that are available now, but the pain, stiffness, and swelling continue. It's the first time trying something like this, and so far it's feeling pretty good. This has helped me to sleep so much better than before. Mild taste, and great price. Hemp seed oil is good for you, but if this is what you're selling, you should put seed on the label. There is no CBD, which is the good stuff that has all the wonderful healing benefits that everyone is after. This CBD oil has an excellent flavor, and works well for anxiety, sleep, and stress. She spent a week on the living room floor with sciatica pain that radiated down to her ankle. Within 24 hours of taking the CBD oil, her pain went from excruciating to manageable. Within 48 hours taking one dose every 12 hours, she was up and walking around. Also deal with a lot of stress and anxiety, and this makes me feel very relaxed and at ease. If you personally approve of the product, they allow you to get a 2 for the price of 1 deal, basically. Nowhere in the text does it describe the amount, with the exception of the labeling stating 1 ounce. It's been 3 weeks, and the relief from suffering which began the first day has blossomed into a sense of healing that is astounding. His friends told me that they wanted to try it, as well as they are all gentlemen of a certain age, and they all had their aches and pains. Yes, it's earthy tasting, but as long as you're not swishing it in your mouth, you don't really taste it. Over-the-counter pain meds are no match for this product. Feel better, sleep better. For the price that it is, it's definitely worth a shot. As far as the taste, it's okay, kind of nutty, and sunflower seed taste, and it does work best if you follow the directions by holding it under your tongue for 90 seconds. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.